Call your mommy now,
Mommy!
Stop crying. Mommy, mommy, mommy. Is that all you can say, huh? Listen to me! I am done with your mom's high and mighty attitude and the way her dad looks at me. And you little brat. I'm your father! Okay? I still run the Frank group! Honey, she is the one I truly love. Your mom isn't even in her league. Sweetheart, you see all this, everything you have now? That crown, this private jet, and all the money that your grandfather has. Oh, it's gonna be mine.
Is that true, honey?
Oh, yeah. I just didn't want to tell you the truth because once I take all that money and kick that bitch out, we are gonna have the most luxurious wedding!
Miranda, Dad is here. Just tell me what you want to do.
Dad, I need you to bring the bodyguards and the lawyers to the tarmac of the F-001A now.
I'll be there soon. Protect yourself and Bella.
Obey me! You still daddy's little princess? Understand? Come here.
Oh, Mommy, you should find out you're a bad guy!
Honey Bear, it seems like your daughter is taking your wife's side.
No, Bella can't say anything to Miranda or it'll all be ruined. You little brat, your mom has spoiled you too much, so I'm gonna teach you a lesson. If you tell your mom anything, I'm gonna throw you off this jet, and your mom will never find you. We'll have other kids. Kids who actually listen! So tell her or not?
I'm telling Mom! Mommy!
Lock her up!
We can't follow your order. We have only one rule: to protect Frank's family members.
You lapdog. I'm the captain. I'm the group president. You guys lock her up. I'm her father. I'm sure she'll be fine.
This forever needs to be taught. Listen!
Mommy, help me! Mommy, help me! Mommy, help me! Mommy, help me!
Stop it! Stop it!
Surprise!
Miranda, what are you doing here?
You just hit me!
Sweetie,
I can't breathe.
where is your inhaler?
I left it in the waiting.
Come on.
You're just gonna slap me and run away. I'm gonna ruin you!
Sit down for me. Lean back, look at mommy. Don't cry, it's okay. I've got it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You hit me and dare to run away? Not on my watch, bitch!
Andre, you are so shameless. Showing up here with your mistress?
It's not what you think, honey, okay? Just let me explain.
What's there to explain? Listen up, bitch. Andre loves me, and we're gonna have a big fancy wedding, and you're out. Bye-bye.
Is that true?
Of course. Miranda, Andre owns the Frank group, and you dared to hit him? Just wait until he divorces you and marries Jennifer. She gets everything, and you get nothing.
Oh, look at her, all high and mighty. Too bad the two of you are going to be kicked out on the street like straight. Oh.
Andre, sweetie. You should teach her a lesson.
So, Andre, this is your jet. You want to divorce me? Abandon me and kick me out? Is that right?
No.
Okay. Why don't you go ahead and tell everyone whose private jet this is?
It's yours.
What? Miranda owns the jet? I thought she'd give you everything.
Andre, you've got your little girlfriend all messed up. Why don't you tell her exactly who I am?
Miranda owns the jet. She's the president of the Frank Group and the daughter of the city's richest man.
What?
Miranda's the real president, and she's the richest heiress. Does she really this book?
We smashed her daughter's crown and hit her.
Jennifer, this is all your fault. If you never said that your boyfriend was some rich single billionaire, we never would have done this, and you're just his mistress.
You got us in trouble with the Frank Group, and that 30 million, what are we gonna do?
Stop it! You losers, okay? That was not a real crown, okay?
Still denying. Fine. I will prove it.
Miss Frank, we're from the International Luxury Goods Appraisal Association. We have brought the crown fragments. Shall we start the appraisal now? We have officially confirmed this crown is made by Master Lemon. Okay, so this crown features 28 3-carat flawless diamonds, with a 15-carat diamond as the main stone. It was handcrafted by Master Lemon for 2 years, and is only the one in the whole world. During the current damage, it cannot be repaired at all. The asset value of the loss is approximately $35 million.
Miranda. Look at this necklace. It must be yours. She stole it. Please forgive us.
The bracelet! The bracelet!
Let go of me, you skink!
Oh. It's not over yet.
That dress is Mommy's as well.
That is impossible. This dress is Chanel Haute Couture. This fits me perfectly. Andre got it custom made just for me.
Andre, you really are something.
I mean, look at it. The waistline, the cut, everything. Oh my God.
Clearly, it doesn't fit. The silk has been pulled way too tight.
What the fuck? This quality is trash.
Custom. Miranda Frank's exclusive size. Madam, your shoulder width is 1.2 inches larger than Miss Frank's.
Shut the fuck up!
The repair will cost $5 million. After the crown, it would be a total of $40 million.
Are you blackmailing me? Andre, you gave this to me as a gift. Come on, say something. What are you scared of? Man up! You say you love me, then kick her out!
Honey, it's just a dress and a crown, okay? You're so rich. I know you don't care, okay? And Jennifer, apologize to Miranda and Bella now. She'll let it go.
Oh, will I?
Honey, You always had a bleeding heart.
You're even more shameless than you imagine.
Honey, I was wrong. Jennifer seduced me, okay? It was a moment of weakness. I still love you and Bella. Let Jennifer apologize. Please forgive me. You can punish me however you want. And then we'll be happy together again. Okay?
You make me sick. Beg for my forgiveness?
How about you ask your daughter first?
Bella, sweetheart. Daddy was wrong. Please, forgive me.
Bella will not forgive you. So stop pretending to be a loving father. The divorce papers are ready. You're out of the friend group. And our home. With nothing.
No, Brenda, please. We've been together for so long. Bella. Daddy's good girl. Please, just give Daddy another chance. Who says I can't control my own daughter? Let's see how you call your mommy now.
I hate you. I only want mommy.
You cheated on me, faked your title, and abused your daughter. You're going to jail for a lifetime.
Brenda, please. Miranda, it was all my fault. But please don't divorce me. Please, I will lose my job. I will lose my family. Can you just forgive me, please? I am so sorry. I will change. Just trust me.
Change? I don't buy it, Andre. It's not Bella or I that you're afraid to lose. It's the title, the shares, black cards.
Don't be so heartless. I'll be ruined.
You cheated on me and abused your daughter. You made your bed, you can lay in it.
Fine, then just beat me. Beat me until you forgive me, please.
You're disgusting. My lawyers will be in touch with you soon. Bella and I and the friend group, we are done with you.
Stop her! If we let her go, we're all doomed.
Oh, he's right. The friend group is so powerful. If they catch us, we're gonna be crushed like ants.
We messed with Miranda so much today. Once she leaves here, we're doomed. Let's listen to Andre. Maybe there's still a way out.
What are you doing?
Come here.
Download and watch more on NetShort.